Welcome to Psychology Refresh. Today, we're going to go over the 8 psychological tricks to command respect instantly. Make sure to watch each one of them so you can maximize your chances of commanding respect. Humans demand respect, to be treated with love and kindness by family, friends, colleagues, etc. It helps us express our feelings, emotions, and concerns. By respecting someone, you respect the way they are. You do not point flaws, instead, you embrace them. Respect, however, like communication, is a two-way process. You cannot command respect without giving it. Most importantly, the idea of respect is a bit more than just being polite. Several little things contribute to the notion of gaining respect. Quote, "Give yourself permission to change your world and others around you in a positive way with love and respect." Earning respect can take years of demonstrating a high-value character. However, there are a few exceptions because there are some incredibly effective ways to instantly command respect from people. Here are 8 psychological tricks to command respect instantly. Number 1. Be vocal about your flaws. There's no shame in having some shortcomings. Each of us has that one embarrassing moment in our life that we dread sharing with others. But you can always speak to others about it to help them relate in similar situations. Not only will this boost your confidence, but people will also appreciate your humility. You will also gain massive respect for being a keen observer of your own imperfections. Many people judge you by your flaws. You can play mastermind here by providing them with your own perception of your flaws so that they do not establish their aversive version. I have come to believe over and over again that what is most important to me must be spoken, made verbal, and shared, even at the risk of having it bruised or misunderstood. Number 2. Compliment people around you. You feel good when someone unexpectedly gives you a compliment, right? It is absolutely amazing to generate good vibes by appreciating someone for the little details that otherwise may go unnoticed. They will definitely appreciate you for your kindness. On the other hand, you will be a total coolio if instead of pulling the leg of an opponent, praise them and appear more confident. This will save you from giving room to hard feelings or jealousy. Quote, "Respect was invented to cover the empty place where love should be." Leo Tolstoy. Number 3. Be unapologetically yourself. Do not ever be sorry for who you are. The best version of you is the one that does not care about the judgment zone. Quote, "If you want to be respected by others, the great thing is to respect yourself. Only by self-respect, will you compel others to respect you." Do not give others the authority to tell you what to do and how to do it. You should exhibit your proclivity with your expertise and unparalleled problem-solving skills. Develop the habit of doing things your way without depending on others. Do not let people tell you how to do something you are already good at. If you are enjoying our content, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Number 4. Hold your ground. While communicating with someone, make sure to listen before you speak. But that should not allow others to break in your opinion and impose their own. Be extremely clear about your views and do not fear expressing them as long as they are not hurting anyone.
Do I believe in climate change? No.
You don't believe in climate change?
No.
I think the climate always changes, I guess is what I should say. Do I believe that this is like, an issue that is global warming, which they've changed conveniently. They got rid of the word once scientists started disproving it. Now they only say climate change. No, I think that was just a way to extract dollars from Americans. I don't at all believe. They had no actionable plan. It was great for Trump to get out of that deal. It was terrible.
Okay, but this is an incredibly complicated subject.
Right.
And if you would have to talk to a bunch of different scientists and see how they gather data and see what they understand about CO2 levels and what's the danger of them and what can combat it and what could not. Have you done all this, or
No,
do you
so I
take
think
this flippant opinion?
Hold your ground. Do not let people shut you up or make you feel like your perspective is any less important than theirs. Number 5. Be mindful of your reactions. We often face situations where we do not give much thought to how we should react to them. Our instinctive and spontaneous reaction comes into play. While no one is asking you to conceal your feelings or react falsely, it is extremely important to be more mindful of different settings and scenarios. Think about how you'll react if you win or lose, if somebody is late or is angry, etc. The way you react to things will carve a strong picture of you, so you have to make sure people do not wrong you as a short-tempered, intrusive, or impulsive person. Do not make haste in responding to a problem because good leaders and critical thinkers always take time to ponder over the situation at hand. Jumping to conclusions and making impulsive decisions can lead to irrevocable damage. Number 6. Improve your body language. Your body language includes your nonverbal communication through which you give way to your emotions and intentions. This could include your posture, facial expressions, and hand gestures. Your body language reflects how others see you. Keep your shoulders broad and unstrained. Relax those neck muscles to unwind and propagate a calm, confident vibe. Learn to own the space you occupy. That, however, does not mean being invasive at all. You can only gain respect when you give other people some space. You will seem more welcoming and approachable if you maintain a calm body posture. Number 7. Keep your word. There is no denying that staying true to your promises will create a respectful image of you. Always try to fulfill commitments to honor your relationships, be it at your home, outside, or workplace. Quote, "Respect is like trust, difficult to achieve, but easily broken whenever you try to get out of line." First off, only say things that you can stand by. If not, then try to stay out of commitments or promises to not disappoint someone later. Being open and honest about it will help you to command even more respect. Number 8. Dress to impress. The phrase, "first impression is the last impression," is somewhat true as your appearance leaves a long-lasting impact on the people you meet. This is why you should memorize the thumb rule, dress to impress. However, do not go for something that is not in line with your style. Try to look good while keeping it comfortable for you. Your natural appearance can be enhanced by your right choice of attire, shoes, bags, etc. Pair up watches or rings with it, but do not ever over-accessorize. People usually take the first 10 seconds of meeting you to subconsciously decide whether they like you or not, so make it worthwhile. This way you are automatically respected for presenting yourself in a composed manner. Remember, nothing is more respectful than being comfortable in your own skin and style. These videos will be really helpful for you.